Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of interior design as we take this small marble bathroom from basic to breathtaking. We'll walk you through each step, showcasing how to use the components at hand to create a luxurious oasis. Let's get started. Before we begin decorating, make sure the space is clean and clutter-free. Remove any unnecessary items to create a blank canvas for our design. Our foundation is set with these stunning marble tiles. Start by installing the marble wall tiles for that elegant backdrop. Then, lay the marble floor tiles to add depth and sophistication to the room. Now, let's bring in the vanity and sink. The vanity serves as a functional and decorative piece. Position it against the wall and secure it in place. Mount the sink onto the vanity for a seamless look. Attach the faucet to the sink, ensuring it's tightly sealed. Now, let's hang the mirror above the sink. This not only serves its purpose but also creates an illusion of a larger space. For the shower area, we have a shower enclosure and fixtures. Install the shower enclosure to prevent water splashing. Fit the shower fixture, the shower head and controls, for a spa-like experience right at home. If you have space, consider a bathtub. It's a statement piece that brings comfort and luxury. Position it against the wall, leaving enough room for easy movement. Let's install the toilet against the designated spot. To optimize space, add a storage cabinet. You can also install open shelving for towels and decorative items. Mount towel bars and racks near the shower and vanity for easy access. Don't forget an exhaust fan to keep the bathroom fresh and moisture-free. Now, let there be light. Install a stylish lighting fixture to illuminate the space effectively. If you have a window, embrace natural light. A well-designed door adds to the aesthetic. Complete the look with baseboards and trim, using grout to perfect the marble tiles. Add towel hooks for convenience. And there you have it, a small marble bathroom turned into a luxurious retreat. By strategically using these components, you've created a harmonious and functional space. Remember, interior design is all about creativity and personal touch. Thanks for joining us today.